This video will show you how to do a full twisted rib. So this is an example of a swatch using twisted rib. It's very neat looking, has a ton of stretch, and it's just really pretty overall. So starting with a long tail cast on, you would normally knit the first one through the front. However, for a twisted knit, you're going to actually knit it through the back loop. So not through the front, but through the back loop. And then go ahead and wrap your yarn around as you would normally. And for a normal purl, you would go through the front with the yarn in front. However, for a twisted purl, you're going to go through the back again, purling as normal. So showing you that again. So knit through the back, wrap your yarn, and pull off. Twisted purl, through the back, purl as normal, and off.